MonsGeek is known for crafting premium keyboards, and with Alice-style layouts and 65% keyboards becoming more prevalent these days, I decided to pick up the M6 by MonsGeek. An ergonomic 65% Alice-style aluminum barebones kit designed for comfort, it's perfect for work, gaming, and daily use. Kind of, but I'll explain that in a bit. The board features USB-C and a customizable RGB and hot swappable PCB. To get into the case, start off by unscrewing the bottom half with the included Allen key. The case in its entirety is pretty heavy, so be careful with pulling it apart too fast, as the daughter board for the kit already comes attached to both the bottom half of the case and the PCB. After removing the PCB from the polycarbonate plate and separating all the middle contents of the board, you should be left with polycarb plate, pour-on plate foam, switch pad, PCB, pour-on case foam, additional case foam, and VHB insulation layer. The PCB has 0 flex cuts, but the kit comes with silicone gaskets that attach to the polycarb plate, and once sandwiched shut in the case, provide for very little press down travel. I went with GATERON Silent Blacks, and here's what they sound like compared to a few other linear switches. And finally topped it off with some beep dots. Here's what that sounds like, but really quick. While Alice-style keyboards offer ergonomic designs with angled keys and thumb clusters for better comfort, the unique layout requires time to adapt, affecting initial speed and accuracy. Look, I'm quickly finding out that this style keyboard is either for you or not for you. But at $109, it's hard to beat. The quality is nuts, and colors, at least the one I chose, is pretty nice, pretty spot on. Anyway, if you're curious about the parts that were used for this build, they're gonna be in the description below. See ya!